Hello everyone and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful 2024 Premier 230 Solaris. It's a beautiful boat, and like we do on all of our walkthroughs, we start off on the exterior, and you'll notice the colorway on this 230 Solaris. You have the white pearl panels with the granite rails. Looks really sharp. As we work our way back here, we'll look up. You have the midnight black bimini top. It is electric, which is nice. Coming back to the stern here, you'll notice right away the light up ski tow bar. Really cool feature. You have the nice tow point up on top, so it's above the engine. You can pull your skiers, your tubers, your wakeboarders because you have plenty of power. This boat is powered by a Mercury 250 XL outboard. It's a Verado engine. It's got plenty of power. It's a V8, so to tow your wakeboarders, your skiers, your tubers, and have a good time on the water, you'll get up on plane pretty quick. This does have the PTX package, so that middle tune is a 32-inch middle tune, while each outside tune is a 27-inch. So a lot of buoyancy, get up on the plane faster, a lot of just performance benefits because of that. As we walk our way over here on the starboard side, you'll notice the nice ricochet ladder, which is really cool. When you put pressure on this, it'll actually fold up just like that. So it's very user-friendly, especially if you forget to put it up while you're driving. The pressure of the water will ricochet it back up, because of the name, Ricochet. Get it? Yeah, it's pretty brilliant. All right, let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, we've made our way to the interior of the 2024 230 Solaris. Beautiful boat, great layout. It has the RF layout, which really gives you that center walkthrough from the bow all the way back to the stern. A lot of space to walk around. You're not going to feel like you're cramped and you're walking, over people. So the interior color on this 230 Solaris is the sandstone with the white diamond accent. Looks really sharp. Kind of ties into the exterior, so it's a great color palette that they have here in the interior. In the stern, though, you have just some nice features. You have the JL Audio speakers that you have throughout the entire boat. There's 2 back here. There's a lot of cup holders. There's 4 on each side, so 8 in total back here. You're gonna have wireless phone chargers actually on each side, which is really nice. Helps you just stay connected. You're gonna have storage underneath all of these seats. They're actually on hinges, which is super nice. Good deep cubbies too. Put your stuff in there, put life jackets, whatever you'd like. But again, all on hinges, which is really slick. Another thing too I'll point out, you have the desert teak flooring, so that also ties in just to the theme of the sandstone interior. At the helm here, you have a beautiful raised helm. Very well appointed. You're going to feel super comfortable at this helm. You have the sandstone helm here. The coloring of it is sandstone, so it looks really sharp. Again, ties into that whole theme. But as you sit down, you got flip-up armrests. You can sit down here. You have some SeaDek on the flooring just to give yourself a little added grip, and it also finishes off the look, very nicely. But you have a Simrad display here. You have your JL Audio system right here. The glove box is magnetic, which is really slick, so it opens up really easily and closes. You have your physical switches right here, your bimini up and down control, because this is an electric bimini, which is super nice. I mean, if you have to get underneath a bridge, if you have to go into a lift, you can easily retract this bimini down into its lowest position if you need to. You have RGB lighting that you can change just with the turn of this dial, which is really cool. Gives you the ability just to customize your time on the water. If you're at night, it's a cool feature. And then again, you're going to have your DTS throttle here, your digital throttle and shift, which is really, really nice. Super smooth in and out of gear. Something that you're really going to enjoy, especially with having that 250 in the back there to power this 230 Solaris. I mean, it is phenomenal. Great power plant for this boat. You will not be disappointed, that is for sure. Cup holder, or I'm sorry, not a cup holder, but a phone holder that is wireless charging right here. So really easy access to that. SeaDek right here, finish off that look. Very well designed. It's a brand new design for 2024, and they did a great job. They hit it out of the park. There's a little bit of storage actually here too. And guess what it is? A garbage can and a paper towel holder. So really cool. I know there's a lot of people that bring a lot of people on their pontoon, and it can get messy. So there you go, dedicated paper towel holder. In-floor storage, and just a tremendous amount of space in here. Very, very spacious. Life jackets, tubes, wakeboards, skis. I mean, there is a lot of space for that stuff. And then up in the bow, again, 4 cup holders on each side, 8 in total. Storage is on hinges, which is fantastic. They're gonna have 2 speakers up front here that do have that RGB lighting in there. So really cool look, really cool boat. Guys, this was the 2024 230 Solaris. I've said that quite a few times now. I'm sure you're not going to forget it. If you guys have any questions about it, or you'd like to come stop by and view this boat, give us a call, or again, come stop by. We'd be glad to help you out and answer any questions that you have. Thank you very much.